Not like the leaves, it is easy to mince because it is soft. So this is the finished product of the well minced stalk of the celery. So let us transfer it in the same container or plate as the leaves. So done. This is all the only chopped ingredients in the spread. And this is the procedure in making the tuna spread. So first, put the tuna in the bowl. Then the onions and the parsley or the celery rather. Then continue mixing. Then when it is already mixed, mix the mayonnaise. Add first the mayonnaise before mixing the mustard. And before mixing the mustard, put some black pepper, not that much. Then salt. It can be also only pinch of salt. This is according to your taste. If what is your taste with the spread you want. But mine will be putting it with that much black pepper so that will be tasty. Then let's add the mustard. Then after mixing it all, let's refrigerate it while we'll make the bruschetta or the bread that is been toasted. Good morning guys. After making the tuna spread, let us make the crust like if it is a pizza in Italian. So let us start. First, the ingredients are garlic, pandesal, 5 pieces of pandesal or 1 French bread. Then 1/4 olive oil. Let's start. First, the procedure that we'll make is the garlic will be just be here. We'll use it later in making the crust of the tuna spread. We'll slice the pandesal into diagonal slices. Making this crust, you must use bread knife instead of using the chef knife or other knife that are not for its purpose, because it will affect the bread's quality and texture. Like what is used this thing, you'll be cutting it finely and it's not hard to cut, not like the normal knife or the chef knife. Neither the kitchen knife, it will be hard to cut it. So it's better to use the bread knife only.